Okay, so we have our rough cut laid down. We have all of the clips that we're going to use, and we have the dialogue placed and the music placed. So the next thing that we are going to do, if you remember in a former lesson, we noticed that the audio made a popping sound during the dialogue about hiking. So we are going to replace that audio with another take. We will push the plus key on our keyboard. Bring our cursor to the beginning of this dialogue, which is clip 42, and let's play that to listen to where the audio pops.
If you're a hiker, then you will
It was right there. Okay, so I'm just going to drag A1 track open, push the plus key more to zoom in. As you can see, there's a point in the audio where you can actually see the pop right there. So what we're going to do is let's go into the dialogue sequence. And this take here is the other take of this dialogue piece. So let's listen from the beginning of this take.
If you're a hiker, then you will
We are going to take the beginning part of that dialogue. So we're going to push Option V on our keyboard to cut just after the host says, "You will absolutely love Nelson, BC." We're going to keep that clip 43 and all of the audio highlighted. While this is highlighted, let's push down Shift on our keyboard and click on the A1 track and A2 track, the audio there within the timeline, to unhighlight those first two tracks. So now when we push Command C to copy the highlighted dialogue and audio, it's going to not bring over the guide audio. We'll go back over to the rough cut. Let's turn on the V1 track. We'll zoom out a little bit and push Command V. Okay, so what that did was directly replaced the dialogue at the beginning. Let's have a listen back to make sure that sounds correct. We might have to move a few things around.
If you're a hiker, then you will absolutely love Nelson, BC. Nelson has trails for
The new dialogue that we just used as a replacement cuts into the previous dialogue a little bit, so we'll just zoom in here using the plus key. With the clip 43 and the audio highlighted, let's hold down Command on our keyboard and nudge this dialogue over using the left arrow key. Next, we'll highlight clip 42 and all of the audio and drag that out to hug against 43. So that should work better. In the next lesson, we're going to be color correcting clips. So stay tuned and we will see you in that lesson.